Good afternoon, children. Today we will be discussing about our second unit, that is MS Excel formulae and functions. Formula and function, this is the most important part of the MS Excel. The difference between Word and Excel is that you can make the calculations by using this formulae and the functions in the MS Excel. Which property? This is the main property which we don't have in the Word. Okay. Here, adding the numbers, getting the percentage of it, getting the average of it, finding the arithmetic mean of the particular top numbers which we are given. So these are the things that are the main advantage of using MS Excel. So formula, here the formula starts with an equal to sign, and it is a sequence of values, cell references, functions and operators which are contained in the cell. Here, cell reference, this is what is called as cell reference. That means an address. See here, this is a cell reference. Here E3, that means this is E column and third row. This is the address of it. If they ask you where do you live, then you give a reference. That means your address you will be giving. I live in Kateru. That means my address, my reference, where I stay. In the same manner, this particular cell is an intersection of a row and a column. So this intersection, what is the intersection here? E row as well as the third E column as well as a third row. So it is E3. So here what I am doing is using the formula. I am trying to find the addition. See here I am giving 58, and in the next cell I am giving 96. So for your convenience, I am just trying to increase the size of the cell. See, then I have increased the font size. I hope you can see it right now. So this cell is F4 and this cell is G4. And here what I am doing is I am here I am going to the auto sum. In this one I am giving sum. Here, see here, what you are getting here, equal to sign, sum, F1, G4. It is asking me whether to make a addition for cell F4 and G4. I said yes, enter. Then here I am getting the answer, equal to the addition of this F4 cell and G4 cell is equal to 158. Where I am getting it? I am getting it in the H4 cell. Okay. Now I am giving a random another 5 numbers. Now I am trying to find the sum of that. Okay. See, in this cell I want to find it. So go to auto sum, sum. I am asking, it is asking me to add these two columns. I am telling no, I don't want those two columns. So if I am giving nothing, then it is giving an error 0. Okay. Now I am selecting all this. Then I am going here auto sum, and as I have increased it, I have got the result here 1249. It is a sum of all these five cells. See here, F4 to J4, F4, G4, H4, I4, J4. This is total 1249. That is how we try to find the sum of the given numbers. Okay. For example, if I am giving another property here, more functions. In this one, I am giving the last option, that is more functions. In this more functions, I was randomly giving the things. Here, I don't know what I am giving. Just simply selecting whatever I feel free, I'm giving average. Is it asking F4 and J4? I said yes. Then the average of all these things is 250. So next, max. Max, which max? Max of all these, right? So what's the max of all this? It is 485. So the next one, more functions. I'm going there and trying to give the LCM. Something I give. So I'm pressing enter. Nothing I'll be getting, right? See here, name, question mark. If you get this, this is a typing. It's an error which shows that whatever we have entered, it's logically invalid. So this is what are the error results which we get in a MS Excel. So the next one is how to perform a functions. Okay, how to perform a functions. See here. Okay, I'm just pasting them over here. There is no space. This hash why we got the column is not wide enough to display. As soon as I have increased the column size, see, column is not wide enough. It's no space for it. It's only the space left for 2-digit numbers. That's why I was giving hash. Now I increased the size. Then see here how we got it. So that are the errors which we come across. Okay. Pasted it. So these are the things, right? All these 5 things. Now in this one, I just want to find out I want to go to formulas. See here, insert any function. Which function you want, you can insert here. Okay, auto sum. These are the functions we already used. This is a recently used. Which one you want? LCM. See here, I want LCM. LCM of which numbers? It is asking. What is the first one? F4. Next, which number you want LCM of? 485. What is this one? F8. I said okay. Then I got the result here. 2818. So that is how we do the calculations. You can go here. This is logical, which this is recently used. Okay, LCM, sum, average, this is the financials one. See here, dollar values, price, PMT. These all are the financial. This is the logical and or if not, but these things. Text one. Character, exact, fine, fixed, left, lower. These are the text. Time and date. Here, how many years, how many months. Look and reference. This is a trigonometry. Maths and trigonometry. If you want a factorial, see here. I want a factorial. Okay. Of which number I want? So I am giving here F7. See, we got an error here. Num. The num means, if you click here, you can understand. Number error. We can't find the factorial for this particular one. So, I am going for this one. You can get, you just check. F5. Formulas, it cannot calculate properly, so it's going for the help. So If we want to find out, we have to give a correct exact thing so that it can find it properly. Okay. The next one is the more functions, cubical functions, engineering calculations. Okay. Statistical calculations. Here. Median. Normalization. Mode. Arithmetic mean, statistical values. These all are the standardized statistical values. These are the formulas that we are available in the function library. Okay. So this is how it is. If you want to find the sum, just select all those things. Here, go to the auto sum. See here the result is being displayed. Okay. This is how we do it. So that is all about your second unit. Children, I want you to read the whole lesson. I want you to do the exercises that were given here in the textbook. And then I think I have already given you the notes regarding that. So in the meanwhile, you just finish up all these things. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.